Michael Avenatti's former girlfriend is full steam ahead with claims the high-flying lawyer assaulted her, and she's expecting criminal charges soon, her lawyer told the Daily News Wednesday. It is important to Morelli that prosecutors act affirmatively in pursuing the criminal matter, lawyer Michael Bachner said, referring to his client Morelli Avenatti. Advertisement: "We are confident that charges will be forthcoming," Bachner said. "We expect there will be a decision pretty soon." Bachner spoke by phone from New York shortly after the Los Angeles County judge overseeing Avenatti's civil restraining order case continued a key hearing to March 13. Bachner, based in Manhattan, said his 24-year-old client has been cooperating with the Los Angeles City Attorney's Office after the Los Angeles County District Attorney declined to file any felony charges and referred the case for misdemeanor consideration in November. Morelli has been entirely cooperative with the city attorney and has made herself available upon request, he said. Her position is this investigation should lead to the appropriate criminal charges, and she's waiting patiently for the city attorney to make that decision. At the civil court hearing in Santa Monica on Wednesday, Los Angeles County Superior Court Judge Susan Lopez-Giss extended Avenatti's stay-away order against Avenatti to the March date after hearing that the criminal investigation was still pending and Bachner needed more time to get clearance to practice in California. The delay meant the court did not consider whether there's enough evidence to extend Avenatti's temporary restraining order for several years. "I spoke to her several times, and she said as long as the conditions of the TRO remain, she is amenable to the continuance," Bachner told the judge. Avenatti's lawyer, Richard Bida, said his client also agreed to the delay. Bida declined to comment further as he left the courthouse. Attempts to reach a spokesman for the city attorney were not immediately successful Wednesday. Avenatti, best known for his fiery representation of porn star Stormy Daniels against President Trump, was arrested November 14 on suspicion of felony domestic violence. The lawyer, 47, vehemently denied any wrongdoing after his release on bail and suggested the allegations were fabricated by his political adversaries. The district attorney declined to file felony charges a week after the arrest, citing a lack of evidence. Officials referred the case to the city attorney for possible misdemeanor prosecution. Avenatti, an aspiring actress and model originally from Estonia, claimed in a sworn statement in her TRO paperwork that Avenatti physically assaulted her on 2 occasions, once early last year and again in November. Avenatti alleged that an intoxicated Avenatti turned physically violent and shoved her into a hallway last February, causing her to bang her head on a doorway. 13. Advertisement: respondent then threw my shoes at me, striking me in the leg, she claimed in court papers obtained by the News. She said the alleged incident in November erupted over money and included Avenatti calling her an ungrateful effing bitch. Avenatti claimed Avenatti forcefully hit her in the face with pillows and dragged her across the floor of their shared apartment. She included photos in her filing of the alleged scratches she suffered on her leg and side. "I am thankful that the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office has rejected filing any charges against me after a fair, careful and thorough investigation," Avenatti said in a Twitter post after the DA declined the case. "I have maintained my innocence since the moment of my arrest. I wish to thank my supporters, friends, family, attorneys and clients for the outpouring of support they provided." Michael Avenatti: "This Thanksgiving, I am especially grateful for justice," he said.